So, hi guys! Today is our 12 years anniversary and yesterday is yung aming wedding. So, we are officially
Sawa nga ni
we're officially married. So, now here's the gifts that we received from our wedding. So, medyo matamlay ang person dahil sobrang wala pa kaming tulog and talagang pagod pero all is worth it. So, now, bago namin i-open tong mga gifts and also the monetary gifts na na-receive namin yesterday, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng pumunta sa wedding namin na nagbigay ng time and effort and also love for us sa amin ni Maui. We truly grateful and also we really appreciated you guys. So, yun, thank you so much.
thank you po.
So, basahin mo.
Galing kay Carl and Antoinette.
Thank you, Carl and Antoinette. So, Carl and Antoinette is college friends ni Mami. So, ayan. Sino mo? Wow, comforter.
Ganda.
May blanket pala, blanket. Blanket. Thank you so much. Ito
Thank
yung mga favorite
you.
naming mga blanket. Gusto ko yung mabalahibo.
Meron ng higaan si Bob. Kay
Tita
Eloise,
Eloisa
Tita
and Tito
Eloisa
Joey.
and Tito Joey.
Friends sila ng aking parents. Yay! Thank you po. Mahilig ako magluto. Kaya gustong gusto ko yung mga gantong lutuan. Thank you po talaga.
Preparation have finally come to an end. Wishing both Maui and Basha a lifetime of love and happiness together. May your journey be filled with joy and laughter. May you love each other for better or for worse, for richer and poorer, till death do you part. Congratulations and God bless you both. Best wishes.
Ninong.
Love Ninong Nil, Senador and family. Thank
Thank you
you.
po. And thank you for coming po. Oh, may comforter. May daming comforter sa ating size. Ah, nasa aking size. Yeah, this is our favorite talaga. Mahilig ako sa comforter ngayon. Thank you
Thank
po.
you po. Next. Bag po. Yay. Asawa.
Kanino?
Kay asawa.
Hindi ako sanay, be.
Ninang Adelpa
Thank you,
Gosis.
Ninang Adele.
Gosis. Ikaw na Adel.
Sino ba sino ba Oh, ganyan. Oh my God, thank you po. Kitchen set. Kitchenware set. Can you open? I want to see. What's the color?
The color is wow, white.
Wow! Thank you so much. Oh,
Yun, galing kay Bess, Nicole, and paring J. Mart, college friend.
thank you, Mark. Si Mark. Ah, yan, hirap lang ulam. Ako na. Tagay ng mga pira mo kakain. Thank you po. Yeah. Yan o. Thank you.
Ann and Gino.
Hi, Ann. Tenga, thank you and congratulations. Ay, wait, gusto kasi lagi niya ako inuutosan bumili. Lagi lang, hindi, ayoko. Pero thank you so
Thank you, Ann and
much.
Gino.
Thank you. We
See you
need
soon.
this.
And congrats din sa inyo. Sunod na kayo. Sa kasal. Sunod na kayo na ikakasal. Congrats. Yun, medyo malayo. Congrats on your wedding, Kuya Maui natin.
Ano yata yan?
Baka kay Janel.
Hindi ko alam kung kay Janelle o kay Janjan. Saan na Wow. Oh, thank you. Nagawang blender. Ano si blender ko? Thank you. Thank you so much. Kasi, thank you po.
Blender. Thank you po.
Thank you.
God bless.
Nagbigay, thank you so much po.
Wow, bago na kami gagamitin.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Galing kay From Riona.
Naka naman. Thank you, dog. I love it. Ano yung mga kailangan ko? Ito yung mga pasok sa lato. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, babe, and Bilog.
And ko na to, galing to sa best friend ko. Yan o, John Ray, Chivas Regal. Pre, pag malo kayo, inumin natin to.
Oh, display niya yan.
Thank
Tapos binigay niya
you.
na kay Maui.
Ako na bahala
Mga
rito.
collection niya. Thank you, Maru.
Cute naman ang lagayan. Meron ka pang
May
pa.
pa-letter pa. Sabi niya, congratulations, Mao and Bash. Sending love and best wishes on your wedding day. We're all wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Hindi na mag-send si Maui ng picture na umiiyak sa GC. Kasi pinakasalan na, haha. Happy kami ni Ken for the both of you. Love you guys. Yes, thank you so
Ito, no?
much. And see you soon, Ken. Thank you for the
Yan.
both of you.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Sign.
Galing kay Tita Cecil Binuya.
Yes, thank you po. Thank you po, Cecil. Wow, may tayo.
Yala.
Kulang na lang ng bahay. Thank you.
Managua family. Thank you po.
Thank you. Oh, dahil na. Thank you so much po. Thank you.